All right, so the goal here, guys, is really just to build out the inner circle community so that we can maximize our impact and build a loyal tribe who are hungry for knowledge, hungry for information, that want to get in the trenches and either learn real estate, or the other wing of this could be the stock and the crypto side of the business. Really building out the inner circle community. What is this? It's just an elite network of entrepreneurs, real estate investors, business owners who share a common goal, share common interests, and are all about getting in the trenches and learning the strategies on how they can scale their business, how they can maximize and get more knowledge and be more effective in everyday life. Right? Why is this so valuable? Man, that inner circle is going to provide you with the community. Right? This is the elite investors, the elite real estate professionals who have the strategies, who have the roadmaps, right? Come together in a type of mastermind environment where you can share high-end resources. This is so clutch, especially as we're rolling out the inner circle community. We'll actually call this the membership economy. Now, what do I mean by membership economy? If you're a business owner and you don't have some type of a subscription model inside of your business, then you're missing the mark, right? So we'll start out, say, to be a part of the inner circle community, you could offer your bottom tier product for $97, right? It's a cup of coffee a day, essentially, where you can be a part of the tribe, where you can join the community and get access to that shared knowledge and vision, right? We'll call this the top of our funnel. So everything we do in our funnel will filter into that, whether it be our YouTube videos, whether it be our Facebook or Google pay-per-click, whatever your means of marketing is, whatever information you're putting out there, you want to somehow funnel that down the tube, right? In our case, we're going straight to YouTube, right? YouTube's a great place to captivate your audience where you can really build up that relationship, nourish the community, and then of course have your elite model that goes to our inner circle. So in this case, the movement inner circle.com, right? At this point, that's where everyone's coming in, where they can join. We're actually opening up the free model, the free subscription where you can come in. This is kind of like our beta testing ground where we can have people come in. We're sharing our strategies and really giving people the roadmap. But the ultimate goal with this, as we're building up this education and knowledge industry, is to have different peers, right? So you got your inner circle at the top. This is your loyal community, your committed fans, people that believe in your vision, they love the knowledge, and you're helping them grow and get to that next level in their journey, right? But from that inner circle, you can go down that funnel and offer masterminds, right? So we can have an elite level mastermind for the high-end investors that want to take it a step further. And we have either annually or biannually mastermind events where we rent a huge 2,000 square foot house, in Orlando or somewhere nice in the mountains of Asheville. And you get, 15 to 20 heads. These are your elite, high level thinking investors that want to take it a step further, right? Want to buy into the vision. And you come together, and the mastermind principle, which goes way back to the 1930s, Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich, is where more than two minds are gathered. A third mind comes into the midst. It's almost biblical, right? When two or more are gathered, God is in the midst. But the mastermind principle says that a new level of thinking, a new level of consciousness opens up, which is the mastermind principle, and sharing different ideas and strategies with elite performers. helps you to maximize that understanding and really elevate to the next level, right? But in this whole mastermind event, got the whole thing catered. We have an event coordinator that's pushing everything through. Inside of our event attendees, we have several different people that are speaking, presenting, sharing their skill sets. And we'll have 1 to 2 keynotes who we can bring up who are straight industry leaders coming, sharing the stage, right? And really just giving away their information. So beyond the mastermind, of course, we got courses, right? This could be, hey, this is Real Estate 101, how to get started investing in real estate for beginners. And you just have, your 10 modules sitting inside of this digital product that can be accessed for whatever you want to do. You could give it away for free and build up more joint venture relationships, equip more people with the tools they need to win. And as a result, it pays itself tenfold and builds your loyal followers within as well, right? Some people also charge for courses. I mean, I've paid $1,000 for a digital course. I paid a couple grand for a digital course. But if you could take this one digital course that took one time to create and sell it to 100 people, it's 100 grand, right? What if you could take that same course and sell it to 1,000 people? That's $1 million, one shot, right? Now, obviously, it takes some momentum to get going. You got to build up credibility here. People see you as the expert. You got the tools. You got the information. And you build the community around that. Obviously, we're documenting the process. We're videoing it. We're sharing the knowledge, giving them the blueprint, finding the elite people out of that to build out the inner circle and come out with the mastermind, right? And then just layered on top of that, we have the courses. We have our weekly coaching calls, right? So part of the inner circle, you could have access to the weekly coaching calls where we share insights, knowledge, information. But in this new digital economy, if you guys are not utilizing this as a CEO, as a business owner, you need to catch up with the times because technology is moving so fast and so rapidly, and the speed that things are changing and moving, it's time that we jump into this new digital economy and start to maximize results. There's people that need to hear your message. There's people that are hungry for knowledge and just want to find that community where they can feel like they're at home. They can feel like they're a part of it. And not only are they learning and evolving, but they have people that they can count on, people that they can lean on and trust to guide them along this journey, right? You're the tour guide. You have the knowledge and the information along with the network. It's your job to guide your crew, to guide your tribe to that place of understanding, to get them from where they are to where they truly want to be. And that's the membership economy, guys. See you on the other side.